Hey, good morning, you guys. All right, so today, I don't know if y'all watched the guy Logan on TikTok, but he be having like all of these cucumber recipes. So I'm gonna try one. I already cut up my cucumber, and in it I have red onion and green onion, just so y'all know. And then this is all the seasonings that he puts on it: fish sauce, accent, this spicy seasoning, crushed red pepper, and olive oil, and then sugar. And then I got my lemon. But I got my lemon, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I got my lemon. I cut it in half because I also got my watermelon. I said I was gonna try the watermelon with fresh squeezed lemon on it as well. So I think I'm gonna start with adding the fish sauce. I don't even know how much. I'm winging it, y'all. Then I'm gonna do the crushed red pepper. I like my stuff spicy. Y'all don't have to pay attention to me. This spicy seasoning is really good though. Do that seasoning. Because again, I like spice. He put accent. I should have opened the other side. I don't feel like it's coming out right. That part. Sugar. Olive oil. And I'm doing this by just doing it, y'all. And then I got my lemon, so I'm about to squeeze. Seeds popping and everything. Come on. Just pour that lemon juice right on in there. My other lemon is for my watermelon, y'all. Don't forget. Oh, and guess what? I tested negative for COVID today, so I'm COVID free. Thank you, Jesus. Feeling a little better so I can start cooking some more. Squeeze that lemon, and you just shake it. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator so it can cool. Look good, though. Look good, y'all. This how it's gonna look. You just eat them, but I'm sure it tastes better cold, so. I think I did good, y'all. Set that to the side. Now the main attraction. My damn watermelon. What do I do with my knife? Because I want to try it with the fresh squeezed lemon juice on it. How y'all day going? Happy Sunday, y'all. Got my little fruit bowl. And if it don't go right, I still got my salt. But But I just want to try it with the this lemon, this fresh squeezed lemon. Y'all know I like sour stuff, so I could do the lemon and the damn salt. Won't bother me none. Come on out. Come on out. Did I tell y'all I tested negative for COVID? I no longer have it. Thank you, Jesus. Did I say that already? I hope. If I did, my apologies. I just want everybody to be clear because I'm ready to start cooking again. And baby said, yeah, you already told him. My apologies in advance. Alright. So now, it's my little fruit bowl, y'all. Put this fresh lemon on it. See what it's giving. Yes. Alright. I'm pulverized the lemon, y'all. Let me rinse off my hands real quick and get my fork. Put my cucumbers in the refrigerator. I can't wait to taste these. They just, it looked good. All right, so first bite, this is lemon. Let me see. It's all right. That should be my salt. It's all right. It's refreshing, but the salt is where it's at. Oh my god. Oh, this tastes like a Starburst. Y'all gotta try it. Ooh. Salt got me a little bit. But this is good. Sorry for coughing. Shit. All right. This watermelon. Y'all. What the hell? Damn, I can't stop coughing. I'm good now. Okay. Yeah, this good watermelon, y'all. This is so good. Them cucumbers gonna be for my crab legs and stuff, y'all. I'm gonna have some crab legs, some sausage, some mussels, corn, egg. That's gonna be about it. All right. Love y'all. Marsha Cooks. Deuces.